Do you know you can use just 1 gig in a month on your iPhone? Yes, 1 gig a month. You are surprised, right? In this video, I'm going to show you some apps that are automatically draining your data without you even using them. As far as you're using an iPhone, there are apps on your phone that drains your data. Whether you are using it or not, they are there to drain your data. Why? Because the features is already turned on automatically. So if you are this type of person that spend much money on data because you are using an iPhone, like one of my friends, I asked him, why are you not using an iPhone? He said the last time he used the iPhone, that iPhone drains his data and the rest of them. Why? Because he doesn't know how to set it. I told him, okay, if you buy an iPhone, bring it for me to set it for you. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you do for me is you head to setting. If you come to setting, and this particular thing drains your battery as well, because they are consuming your data, whether you are on the app or we are not on the app, they are consuming your data automatically. So what you are going to do for me is you go to this cellular. If you click on this cellular, then you scroll down. If you scroll down, you click on this show all. You see, show all. Now these are apps that are using your data. If you count this app, I'm sure they are up to 30. Are you seeing my own? All of them are turned on, and I am not using all these things. How can my call app be using my data? For what reason? Skype, I'm not using Skype. My photos, how can my photos be using my data? Why these photos is using your data? Because it's automatically uploading your photos and videos to your iCloud, and all these things are draining your data. You don't need them. So if you can turn all these things off, like from one to the end, turn all of them off. Everything, turn them off, so that any particular one you want to use. For example, now if I turn off my WhatsApp and I open my WhatsApp, then you will receive a message that your cellular data is turned off on WhatsApp. And then what you do is just you click on the setting there, and then it will bring you automatically to this place where you can turn it on and make use of it. And after making use of it, please turn it off again. If you follow this process, I bet you 1 gig will be enough for you for 1 month as an iPhone user. Please, this video is helpful to you. Click on that like button. Comment for me how many gig do you consume in a month as an iPhone user, and when you try it, you come back and tell us if it actually works for you. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Please don't forget to follow us by clicking on that subscribe button. Bye bye.